Hello everyone, it's Claire. I have an order for some 925 silver hummingbird earrings. I thought I'd bring you along with me. So we've got two pairs of what we can use for wires. These are the hummingbirds. They're the same both sides. We've got some 925 earring wires, 5mm jump rings, silicone earring backs, organza bag, and an earring display card. So I'm just going to get two earring wires. So we then take our jump ring, open, thread on, attach the hummingbird, an earring wire, and then close. So simple. Do the same again. I need to open these quite wide. These are very chunky. And then there's our earring. Then we attach them to earring card. Just going to take two silicone backs, attach them to the back. That one's a bit loose, I'm just going to grab another one. There we go, I'm just popping to an organza bag. And that's ready for posting. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.